Today I finally got my iPad screen protector from PAPERLIKE, and this little inexpensive device or a protection can really change the way you interact with your tablet. Let's get into it. So I've been a fan of PAPERLIKE since they started their first Kickstarter. I was a fan and I loved it. And their second generation PAPERLIKE was just took the first generation to a whole new level and opened so many doors for me. I never had problem with my PAPERLIKE, but I know that where the problem was with the first generation, that the screen color would shift a little bit, but with the new version, that problem is solved. I had it on my previous iPad, and when I got my 2020 iPad Pro, I couldn't transfer the old one to the new one, so I decided to order myself a new pair of screen protectors. Now, when I ordered this, it was actually about a month and a half ago, 2 months ago if I'm not mistaken, maybe even more. But because of the whole virus situation, their shipping got delayed, and I understand. No hard feeling. Thank you for getting it to me right now, even though it's not when I ordered it. But because I've been home, there is no scratch, thank God, on my tablet. But this screen protector is more than just a screen protector to protect your iPhone against scratches. This will help transform your iPad to a paper-like surface that feels exactly like you're writing on a paper. Now, I use my tablet quite often to do my homeworks, to draw, edit video, and edit my photos for my thumbnails. And the screen on it feels a little weird, especially when I use my pencil and I really want to make those fine little adjustments. It's really impossible. And not impossible, but it's quite slippery. So this is where it comes PAPERLIKE. First of all, I love their cardboard design of their packaging, and I'm a fan. So let's open it up. Quite clean, quite nice, 12.9 inch. And when you purchase it, it's really cheap, and they send you 2 screen protectors. So if you mess up the first one, which you really shouldn't, if you follow their directions, you will do just great. This is awesome. We get a little card inside of the box, and then we have the installation tools. Now, the installation process is a little bit tricky, but I found out there is a method to it. And the method is to just trust yourself. That's it. If you go on their website, they have a really precise way of installing it, but that's just a little too advanced for me. Here's the way that I look at it. I get 2 tries. When I first got my first PAPERLIKE, I did an outstanding job on installing it. And the second screen protector that I had it just went to waste. So my new method is that just try your best to do it the easy way. And if you screw up, you have another try. Now, if you are doing this for 2 tablets and you need both screens, I suggest visiting their website and putting it on, learn how to do it correctly. But just gonna wipe it off, get my little alcohol swab, and nowadays with the virus, there's a lot of alcohol swabs in everybody's house. So if you have it, feel free to dab a little bit more alcohol on it to just make it stronger, to get all of those greasy smudges off of it. jinxed myself, and on the first attempt I messed up, so I went back and I followed the video. It turned out pretty good. It looks absolutely stunning. This thing feels really good, and now that I have it, I am so glad that I got it. First of all, let's check out the sound. This thing just sounds absolutely amazing. I am very satisfied with this. I think if you own an iPad and you want to get protection for your iPad and you want your iPad to be usable and feel like paper, I think this is a really good alternative. Now, who is this product not for? If you are actually, I think this product works for anybody. Regardless what you do with your tablet, a screen protector that not only protects your iPad, but makes your iPad feel different and make it actually usable. I think it's a great product to have. I didn't think this is worth the wait, so I opted for one of those cheap alternative on Amazon. And actually, let me correct myself, one of those expensive alternative in Amazon. And the only reason was that it will come faster, one of those glass screen protectors. And I put it on and it was a complete disappointment. For the price they're asking, this is really good. It offers what all of us and most of us actually want out of a screen protector. And on top of that, it transforms your tablet to a paper-like surface. But mainly I don't like it because of the transformation of your tablet to a paper, nor the screen protection capability of it. I mostly like this because it doesn't reflect light as the original glass of the iPad does, and the smudges on top of it doesn't show as much. I'm not super hyped about the reduction of the quality on my pictures on my tablet because it does reduce the quality. Is it noticeable? Yeah, it's noticeable, but for what you're gaining out of it, I think it's pretty worth it. It's not as much as before, as I would say that it's pretty bad, but it's to a point that it just makes little fine pixels on your tablet show. Other than that, I think this is a great device, a great protection for your tablet. It doesn't weigh much, it's not thick at all. The new technology on it, it's really great, and it does the job for whatever you want to do out there. So give them a try. Go to their website, go to their YouTube channel, and just search PAPERLIKE, and you'll see millions of people, satisfied customers all around the world like this product. It's German made and it's awesome. But keep in mind, with the stuff that is going on, it's gonna take a little time to get to you, but it's worth the wait. And if you don't want to mess up your first try, then research it before just dabbing it on there. For me, I don't really care about losing the first one because who cares, I have another one. But for you, if you want to be conservative, save it, maybe use it later, then go to their website, check them out. I hope you guys liked it. This great item, highly recommend it. And yeah, also, what do you guys think of the background? I know I have my Toppuccino on my side because, like I mentioned, it's been an hour and 12 minutes since I first started recording this video. But yeah, new setup, new background, new screen protector. Let's get going.